Hello guys, today DJI is gonna announce the Mavic Air 2. It's gonna be announced tonight at 7 p.m. and we're gonna go ahead and see what's all the spec and the feature, what's all about, because we already know there's actually a rumors there's gonna be a 3.0 active track. It's gonna be 4K 60. Time lapse is gonna be 4.8K. I'm not pretty sure, you know what I mean? So it's gonna be interesting. The flight time is gonna be 34 minutes. It's gonna be 6 kilometers. So that's, I would say, about 5 miles. So that's pretty good. It has front obstacle avoidance, there's rear obstacle avoidance, there's bottom position sensor, but there is no up top obstacle avoidance. It's gonna be interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and see how the Active Track 3.0 is gonna work. It's very interesting on this Mavic Air 2. Also guys, I think it's gonna start at $699. Rumors, so just, you know, we're just gonna be, if you guys probably gonna hear it in 7 p.m. exactly how much the pricing, and I think they're gonna have the combo also. So the prices in that one's pretty interesting because it comes with the lens and it comes with like extra propellers and 2 extra battery, and I think it's also a battery hub. I don't know if that's gonna be a how you call this, it's gonna be a power bank battery hub, but I think it's just gonna be a battery hub that you can just plug it in. So we're gonna go and see how fast this thing will charge. A smart feature, we all gonna see this gonna have a waist points. You guys gonna see it's gonna have a bunch of new features like flight mode, sport mode. Of course, we always want sport mode. It's gonna be amazing. Also the hyperlapse and waist point on that one. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out exactly. So you guys gonna hear about it more later on. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys interested of this Mavic Air 2? Is this gonna be a killer to Ultra Robotics Evo 2 and also the Skydio 2? It's gonna be interesting. Like I said last time, if you guys seen my video, I actually talk about this, that, you know, if Skydio 2 is gonna release their drone, DJI is gonna answer with a small drone. That's with the Mavic Mini, and after that with the Mavic Air 2. And after that, the Mavic 3 probably. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about. And you guys can see the Skydio 2, it has autonomous feature, smart follow me mode, but it still make dumb decision and crash and fall like a brick from the sky, especially if it can caught in the water. So the sensor cannot really read the way the water is, but DJI is really good at that. And if you guys see my previous video, I have drones, Mavic, Spark, that flies in hurricane wind. Even their Tello drone can fly in hurricane wind. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this Mavic Air 2, is it gonna be strong enough for all of us that we like to fly at night? Is the sensors gonna be good enough? And is it gonna have the same thing as with the Mavic Pro 2 successfully? And we're gonna go ahead and see what's all the feature, and tonight is the night. Now we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about. So let me know if this is gonna be a killer machine and it's gonna be good for our wallets. Is it something that you're gonna purchase, something that you're gonna like? Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested on it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and wait, and I wanna go ahead and see what's all the feature. And of course right now, the wait on this is gonna be a while. So if you're gonna go ahead and pre-order it now, you probably won't get it for like maybe 2 or 3 months, depending where you're located at, what country, because right now shipping is crazy. I got stuff from China that didn't even come back to me yet, and I've been waiting for like 2 or 3 months. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about, but I'm interested. I'm a DJI fan. Like I said, I've been with their drones for years, and I don't know if I can go to other drones. I do check out other drones out there, but I'm gonna go ahead and wait it out. And that's the reason why I didn't purchase the Skydio 2, because I know it cannot fly at night. Like, see right now, this is a DJI drone. So to me, I like to do this, and I cannot miss what I want to do. Think about it, guys. I paid for a drone that I'm willing to do whatever I want to do. So yes, I'm super excited. I can't wait, and it's gonna be fun for all of us, I'm pretty sure. Just watch the video, the live stream, and we can't wait for the new feature coming up in 2020 with DJI release. Again, subscribe, like, and share.